Fluent English Practice. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Fluent English Practice, where learning English is simple and enjoyable. I'm Sarah.
Hi everyone, I'm Alex. It's always great to be here with you again.
Yes, we're so glad you joined us. How are you doing today, Alex? How's your week been?
It's been a busy one. Lots of work, but not too bad. And you?
Pretty good. Some ups and downs, but overall, I can't complain.
That's life, right? Today, we just want to have a normal, relaxed conversation.
Yes, just like coworkers chatting during a break or after a meeting.
Exactly. Just a friendly talk to help you practice real-life English.
We'll talk about simple topics, how to introduce yourself, how to ask about someone's day, and more.
So, it's like we are at work, having a chat with a new colleague or an old friend.
Yes, and we hope it feels like you're sitting here with us.
Before we begin, please like this video and share it with anyone learning English.
Yes, it really supports us, and it helps more learners like you find our videos.
And if you haven't yet, don't forget to subscribe to Fluent English Practice.
That way, you won't miss any future videos.
We are really excited to chat with you today.
Let's go. Introduce yourself at work.
Hi, I'm Daniel. I just joined the team today.
Nice to meet you, Daniel. I'm Lena. Welcome to the office.
Thank you. I'm really happy to be here.
What do you do here?
I'm a graphic designer. I make logos and posters. What about you?
I'm a content writer. I write blog posts and social media content.
That's great. How long have you worked here?
Almost 2 years now.
Wow, that's a long time. Do you like it?
Yes, the people are nice, and the work is fun.
That's good to hear. Everyone has been very kind so far.
Do you live near the office?
Yes, just a 15-minute walk.
That's so convenient.
Yeah, I don't like long commutes.
Same here. Do you drink coffee?
All the time. I needed to start my day.
Me too. Let's grab a coffee during break?
Sounds good. I'd love that.
You'll get used to the office quickly. If you need help, just ask.
Thank you, Lena. You've been very helpful.
No problem. We're a team now.
Looking forward to working with you.
Same here. Daniel, let's do great work together. At office coffee break. Weekend plans. So, Daniel, any plans for the weekend?
Not much yet. Maybe just relax. What about you?
I'm going to visit my parents on Saturday.
That sounds nice. Do they live far?
No, just an hour away. I go there often.
That's great. Family time is the best.
Yes, I love it. What do you usually do on weekends?
Sometimes I go hiking. Sometimes I just sleep in.
Sleep is important too. I like to read or watch movies.
Oh, what kind of movies do you like?
Mostly comedies and dramas. You?
I love action and sci-fi, but I enjoy funny movies too.
Do you ever cook on weekends?
Yes, I try new recipes on Sunday.
Nice. I usually bake something sweet.
Maybe one day you can bring cookies to work.
Sure. Only if you bring your famous lunch too.
Deal. What about Sunday? Any plans?
Just cleaning and preparing for Monday.
Same here. Sunday feels like reset day.
Exactly. But Saturday is all about fun.
Totally. Maybe we can grab coffee this weekend.
That would be great. Let's message and plan it.
Cool. Looking forward to it.
Me too. It's nice to have a work friend.
Yes. It makes everything better.
I hope you enjoy this video. Alex, do you remember your first day here?
Oh yes. I was nervous, but everyone was kind.
Same here. Do you remember how you introduced yourself?
I said, "Hi, I'm Alex. I'm a new graphic designer." Simple and clear.
That's a good one. I usually say, "Hello, I'm Sarah. I work in the content team."
Very professional. It helps people understand your role.
Exactly. What if you meet someone outside the company?
I might say, "Hi, I'm Alex. I work in marketing at a media company."
That's useful. It gives more detail.
How about you? What do you say at events or parties?
I say, "Hi, I'm Sarah. I'm a writer. I create scripts and videos."
Nice. That sounds interesting and friendly.
Thanks. I think introductions should be short but clear.
I agree. Start with your name and what you do.
And maybe add something fun, like a hobby.
True. Hi, I'm Alex. I'm a designer and I love photography.
That makes you more memorable.
Exactly. People like it when you show personality.
So what's the best way to introduce yourself at work?
Something like, "Hi, I'm Alex. I just joined the design team. Nice to meet you."
Perfect. Friendly and confident.
And always smile.
Yes. A smile is the best first impression.
Should we practice some examples?
Sure. I'll go first. Hi. I'm Sarah. I'm new here. I work in the content team. Nice to meet you.
Hi, Sarah. I'm Alex. I work in marketing. Welcome aboard.
That was good. And that's how you can introduce yourself at work or anywhere else.
Yes. It's simple. Say your name, what you do, and maybe add something interesting about yourself.
We hope today's conversation helped you learn how to do it with confidence.
Also, tell us in the comments, how do you introduce yourself at work? We'd love to read your answers.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share it with your friends who are learning English.
And of course, subscribe to Fluent English Practice so you don't miss our next lesson.
See you in the next video. Bye for now.
Bye, everyone. Keep learning.